In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Airtable Forms, Advanced Settings 2026. Open your browser and head to airtable.com. This is where everything starts. If you're already signed in, great, you'll land right where you need to be. If not, click Sign In, enter your credentials, and continue. That part is quick. After you sign in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. This is your home base in Airtable. Front and center, you'll see your recent workspaces and bases. It's a helpful snapshot of what you've been working on lately. From here, choose the base you want to work with. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new base from scratch or start from a template. Either way, the goal is to open a base that contains the table you want to collect form submissions into. Once you're inside the base, you'll likely see a grid view of your table. Think of this as the database behind your form. Every field here, like name, email, or attachments, can become a question on your form, and every new form submission will create a new record in this table. Now, locate the form view. You can find it in the View sidebar. If you don't see a form yet, create one by adding a new view and choosing Form. Airtable will automatically build a starting form from your table's fields, which saves a lot of time. You're now in the main form editor. This area is fully interactive. Click any field to edit its label, add help text that guides respondents, and choose whether the field is required. Drag fields to reorder them to match the flow you want. If a field is internal only, toggle it off so it's hidden on the form but still stored in the table. You can also add non-input elements like section headers and descriptive text to make the form easier to read. Double-click each field you want to customize and fine-tune the advanced options. For text fields, consider placeholders to show examples. For single or multiple select fields, define clear choices and a default if needed. For dates, enable formatting and time if that matters. For file uploads, specify what kind of attachments you expect. If your workflow needs cleaner data, use validations and required settings to prevent incomplete submissions. Reorder fields until the form tells a logical story. Group related questions under headings, and keep instructions concise but clear. As you make changes, Airtable autosaves. Use the preview to check the experience from a respondent's perspective. When everything looks right, you're ready to use your customized form with confidence.